What's up, guys? We are at S&R this morning. They're still only allowing one guest in with a membership card. S&R is like a Costco, but Lut wanted to come along. So what I did was I purchased a second card, like a guest card or an add-on card to your membership, like 400 pesos. But yes, they're still only allowing one person inside with a card. But anyways, let me show you something here. How much is alcohol here in the Philippines? You can see they have Heineken. They have these Heineken, like little mini kegs. Heineken little mini keg is 1,279 pesos. I'm gonna round up. That's about $24, something like that. Little Budweiser cans, 319 pesos, a little over $6. Royal Dutch, Heineken, 6-pack, 344 pesos, like $6-7, something like that. Let's kind of show you what they have here. Murphy's Irish Stout, 399 pesos, like $8. Here's Heineken bottles, 309 pesos, $6 for a 6-pack. Oh, Corona, they got the Corona, 559.10, about $11. Like I said, I'm rounding up. Look, they got their own display. Corona has their own display. 559 pesos, $11. That's for a 6-pack, guys. It's kind of showing you what they have here, all the alcohol. Smirnoff, 389 pesos, $7 maybe, something like that, give or take. They got a really good selection here in S&R. Absolute, Sky. Oh wait, that's Sky right there. Buy one at $5.49, $10-11, get one free for Sky Vodka. Oh, that's the free. That's unless you're talking about like the bottle and then a little mini bottle that goes with it. Belvedere Vodka, $5.99, $10-11, like $12. Kirkland.
It's all too expensive.
Yeah, but 1,600. 1,600. What's that about? $30? You guys see it all. Johnny Walker collection pack, 3,937 pesos. Gold label silver, double black. I think there's 3 bottles in there. That's like 2, 4, about $60. I'm gonna round up $60 for that. Jack Daniels, 1,059. You're probably looking at about $20, a little over $20 for some Jack Daniels. I don't know. I don't know if it's expensive or not. I'm not a big drinker, so I don't know. Jägermeister, $9.29. Yeah, $20. $20. Just doing a little pan through here, just so you can kind of see. I can't show you everything. Don Julio, 2,289, 2, 4, $50, right around there. And you got your wines. Got a lot of wines here. And we'll shoot down here quick, see what's down here. Wild Turkey, 81 bourbon whiskey, 929. Buy one at 929, get one free. American honey, about $20. That's buy one, take one. That is definitely a buy one, take one. It's a buy one, take. And they got their, looks like they got their good stuff up here. Their good stuff locked up in here. Good stuff. There's Jim Beam here. Jim Beam whiskey. Apple. Apple, $8.49. I don't know, what's that? 17 bucks maybe? Martini and Aussie Spumante, 689 pesos. 12, 13 bucks for a bottle like that. And then here's all your wines. Whole shelves full of wines. 3 shelves all the way down through. Like I said, I don't know if these are good prices or not. Couldn't tell you because I'm just not a big drinker. Not a big drinker. One of the cool things is their displays. I think their displays are pretty cool. Monkey Shoulder Whiskey. 100% malt whiskey made for mixing. Never even heard of the Monkey Shoulder. Monkey Shoulder runs 1,349 pesos. So $27 maybe, something like that. Like I said, I'm rounding up, guys. Rounding up. Shot I'd shoot down here. Chivets Regal Royal Salute 21-year blended Scotch whiskey. Say Chivets, I guess. Holy, 5,129. That's over 100 bucks. Johnny Walker King George V Scott whiskey, 750 ml. 20, is that 22,000 pesos? That has to be a mistake. That has to be a mistake. 22,000 pesos. Holy cow. What is the math on that? Jeez. A couple $100 easily. More Johnny Walker. Oh, what's over here? Never even heard of some of these brands. That's a pretty cool looking box here. The Dalmore Highland Single Malt Scotch Whiskey. Dalmore, there it is. 12,000 pesos. That's what it's saying. 12,399 pesos for that. For the smaller one, it's 5,000. That's over 100 bucks, guys. 12,000 is over 200 bucks for that. Wow. There's another one, 500,999 pesos. That's over 100 bucks. This Glenfarclas Class, 13,000 pesos. It says it's marked down from 19. 13,510. That's over 200 bucks for this. Woo! Hennessy, here's your Hennessy. Hennessy, how much? What's your Hennessy run here? For a bottle like that, 1,599. They had about 30, a little over 30 bucks for that. A little over 30 bucks. I don't know. Good price, bad price. Hennessy XO. Hennessy XO is 9,199 pesos. That's almost 200 bucks for that. Hennessy XL Extra Old. Yep, that's over 200 bucks for that. Holy cow, no thank you. One shot better get you drunk. Yeah, we'll shoot around this aisle here. Here's all your mixers. Looks like all your mixers. Jim Beam, here's a Jim Beam display. Jim Beam Apple, 914. Look at that, 20 bucks for that. I don't know what this is. Achun Stoshan. It sounds like I'm sneezing. Distilled single malt Scott whiskey. That one there is 1,884. 20, 30, 36 bucks around there. All right, that's my little That's a little tour of the alcohol, whiskeys and vodkas. They also have Chinese. I'll show you, they have Chinese drinks here too. I think. Where is it at now? That's a cool display too. Look at that. Hendrix Gin. I say they got some pretty cool displays. Where is the China? I know they have Chinese drinks here. Soju, I forget, something like that. I know Lit always gets it. It's down here. Sorry if I didn't got the Captain Morgan. Captain Morgan. Cruiser Dark 700 mil. $2.90, like $6. I guess that's a pretty good price, huh? Captain Morgan spiced rum. Oh, that's that one up there. That's a Kirkland Signature spiced rum. That is 2,000, so $40. All right, here's your stuff. Look at this here. World's #1 sojo. She likes this sojo. And that's only 399 pesos, so like $8. Can't beat that. Alright guys, I'm going to take a little stroll through the mall. This is the traffic enforcer. The mall traffic enforcer is what I'm going to call him. He makes sure everybody is walking on the proper side of the mall. He's got his little sign. Let me show you. Oh, he doesn't have it out now. But there's his little sign. Observe physical distancing. He's got his little sign. Oh, you're walking on the wrong side. Wrong side. They got a little line, like driving. You know, line in the middle. And that's the traffic over there. This is the traffic going this way. Oh, we have another woman here. She's standing here with her little sign, making sure everybody's practicing social distancing. Mall's pretty full. It's like a quick walk up here quick. I gotta go pay the parking. They have parking here, and you gotta pay for parking at Marquee Mall. But it's like everything's back open. I don't want to walk that way. Music playing. Like everything's back open. I'm back in business. Of course, social distancing and all your eating places and all that. But everything's open. The only thing is they don't have the air conditioning turned up. It's one thing they kept the air conditioning turned down in the mall here. I guess they don't want people hanging out. Now you go over to SM Mall and it's really nice. The air conditioning's on, it feels real good. But yeah, back to business here. And there's McDonald's. You can see the people inside. Social distancing, eating and everything. But anyways, I gotta go pay the parking bill right now. 20 pesos to park here in your car, 10 pesos to park on a motorcycle. That's what they get. You can see here's the line. What they do is they give you a parking card when you come in. As you come in, you go through a little gate and you push a little button and this little credit card type thing pops out, and that's what you get when you come in with a car and a motorcycle. And you can't leave. They used to have paying at the gate. As you went out the gate, they used to have paying, but now they have it inside. You got to go to these little parking stations here and pay for your parking. Then when you leave, you got to slide that little card in a little slot, and then the gate opens up, and then you can leave. So you are going to pay. You're not going to try to escape. If you forget to pay and you pull up, you're going to turn around, come back, because there's nobody there to give your money to. When they first started it, there were a couple times I walked out to the car, and I forgot to pay. I had to come back in. So, oh yeah, here's where you pay. Parking pay station right there. They were serious about it too. See, she blow her whistle. She's whistling to somebody down there. Somebody's not listening. Somebody's breaking the rules. They're going to get in trouble if they break the rules. She's chasing them down and everything. Oh, because they're walking on the wrong side. See, she got her whistle and everything. It's almost to the point it's hilarious. It feels like I'm on the wrong side now. They're gonna yell at me. It almost feels like you're in kindergarten, and the outside teacher, you're outside playing in the yard, or outside for recess. There it is, recess, and the teacher's blowing their whistle at everybody. Get in line. Quit walking on that side. Listen to what I'm saying. It's like you need guards in the mall with signs and whistles to tell grown adults where to walk and how to walk. That's sad. That's sad. That all comes back to like Lut said, that all comes back to discipline, self-discipline. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up, but you know what? Before I wrap this one up, I gotta show you this. I gotta show you this. I think it's pretty cool. You ready? Flip around, check it out. It's out in the parking lot here. We got the mystery machine. The mystery machine, Scooby-Dooby-Doo mystery machine. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? You got Velma and Daphne, Fred, Shaggy, and Scooby. It's the mystery machine. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh? Let me go around here. Let's see if there's anything on the front. That's an old Volkswagen. That's a weird looking Volkswagen. Right? I mean, I know what old Volkswagens look like. That's weird looking. I don't think that's not an original Volkswagen minibus. That guy modified that. Definitely modified that. But that's pretty cool looking. Alright guys, so from the Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine here in Angeles City from SM Marquee Mall, this is a wrap. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Sorry if the phone is shaking, but I'm holding it with 2 fingers. And we'll talk to you later.